Hello guys, welcome back. Today's story, Extended Reality, XR. Let's go. What is extended reality? How extended reality will work? Characteristics of extended reality, applications of extended reality, advantages and disadvantages of extended reality. What is the future of extended reality? Let's go. Extended reality (XR) is a term used to describe a spectrum of technologies that merge the physical and virtual worlds to create immersive and interactive experiences. XR encompasses a range of immersive technologies including virtual reality (VR) and augmented reality (AR) and mixed reality (MR). These technologies alter our perception of reality by overlaying digital information, objects, or environments onto the physical world (AR), creating entirely digital environments (VR), or blending digital and physical elements seamlessly (MR). How extended reality works. 1. Virtual reality (VR). VR immerses users in entirely computer generated environments. Users typically wear a VR headset that tracks their head movements and in some cases their hands movements too. This allows them to interact with and navigate the virtual world as if they were physically present. 2. Augmented reality (AR). AR overlays digital content such as 3D models, text or videos onto the real world. AR devices like smartphones or AR glasses use sensors and cameras to recognize and understand the user's surroundings, then superimpose digital information accordingly. 3. Mixed reality (MR). MR is a combination of VR and AR, allowing users to interact with both virtual and real world elements simultaneously. MR devices like the Microsoft HoloLens merge digital objects into the user's physical environment in a way that they appear to coexist. Characteristics of extended reality (XR). Immersive. XR technologies provide immersive experiences that engage multiple senses, making users feel like they are part of a digital or augmented environment. Interactive. XR enables real-time interaction with virtual or augmented elements, allowing users to manipulate or respond to digital content. Spatial awareness. XR systems often use sensors and cameras to understand the user's physical surroundings and adapt the digital experience accordingly. Real-time tracking. XR devices track users' movements, allowing for natural and initiative interactions within the virtual or augmented space. Applications of extended reality (XR). Gaming and entertainment. XR is widely used in the gaming industry to create immersive gaming experiences. VR gaming, in particular, has gained popularity. Education and training. XR is used for training simultaneous in fields such as aviation, healthcare, and the military. It also enhances educational experiences through the learning. Medical and healthcare. XR is employed for medical training, therapy, and remote consultations. Surgeons use AR to overlay critical information during surgery. Architecture and design. Architects and designers use XR to create virtual walkthroughs and immersive presentations for building designs. Marketing and retail. AR is used in marketing campaigns to engage customers with interactive advertisements. In retail, AR enhances shopping experiences by allowing customers to visualize products in their own space. Advantages of extended reality (XR). Enhanced learning and training. Improvised visualization. Increased engagement. Real-time collaboration. Innovative marketing opportunities. Disadvantages of extended reality (XR). High costs, hardware limitations, privacy concerns, motion sickness in VR, limited content and standards. Future of extended reality. The future of XR is promising and likely to see significant advancements. Anticipated development include 1. Improved hardware. XR devices will become more lightweight, affordable, and comfortable, making them accessible to a broader audience. 2. 5G interactions. 5G networks will enable fast data transfer, reducing latency in XR experiences, which is crucial for real-time interactions. 3. AI integration. Artificial intelligence will enhance XR experiences by enabling better object recognition, natural language processing, and personalized content. 4. Expanded industrial use. XR will play a larger role in industries like manufacturing, architecture, and healthcare, optimizing workflows and enhancing productivity. Fifth, healthcare breakthroughs. XR will continue to revolutionize medical training, patient care, and remote consultations. 6. Entertainment evolution. XR will push the boundaries of entertainment with more immersive storytelling and interactive experiences. 7. Social XR. XR will facilitate more immersive social interactions, connecting people across distances as if they were in the same physical space. 8. Education transformation. XR will transform how students learn by providing interactive and engaging educational content. In conclusion, extended reality XR is a rapidly evolving technology with applications across various industries. While it offers numerous advantages, it also comes with challenges that will need to be addressed as it continues to develop and integrate into our daily lives. The future of XR holds immense potential for innovation and transformation across multiple sectors. Conclusion. Extended reality is a term that covers a range of technologies that create immersive experiences by blending or replacing the physical world with digital content. XR has various applications, advantages, and disadvantages across different domains and industries. XR is also evolving rapidly with the integration of other emerging technologies and the convergence of different realities. XR is likely to have a significant impact on the future of human computer interaction and society. Thanks for watching.